Alam mo, mag-score na pala.
This game's brought to you by YAC Temba.
Number 14. Jump ball. Grass ball.
Isa pa lang, ganda ng laban.
That's 14 second shot lang. Wow! Number 10. Injury timeout, injury.
Foul. Number 10, first personal foul. Shooting foul.
Two shot. Or shot, no good. Second try. Wala again. Wow. Push ball rip. Number 9. First personal foul, second team foul.
Mainit yung laban na to.
Basket. 2 points.
Si Diego.
Foul. Pushing foul. Number 9. Number 9. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Third team foul. Second personal foul. Last 7 minutes and 25 seconds. Last 14 second shot clock. Last 10. Wow, this one left. Number 90. 90. Mesa ball.
3 piece ba kanina? Naka 3 piece ba?
2 points na. Tanong mo,
Basta yun, first. Hiklos lang.
basket by number 13. Wow! Push ball rim. Number 26. Number 26.
26, first personal foul, first team foul, shooting foul.
Last 6 minutes and 15 seconds. First drive basket. Second drive. Basket again. Last 6 minutes. Last 6 minutes. Ready na ang second five. Basket by number 12. Foul by number 9. Third personal foul. 4 14 foul. Last 5 minutes and 30 seconds. Wait lang. 30 seconds na lang. Last 5 minutes and 30 seconds. Second 5. Ready na. Basket.
Ready to be.
23. Score 6-4 in favor of Brass.
Second 5, Rep. Second 5. Second 5. Substitution. Okay, sige. Pasok. Mesa ball. Last 5 minutes. Exactly 5 minutes. Outside, same ball. Last 5 minutes and 44 seconds. Three points. In and out. Last 4 minutes and 35 seconds. 3 points. Last 15 second shot clock. Last 10 second shot clock. 9, 8, 7, 6. Last 17 second shot clock. Basket by number 7. Last 14 second shot now. Last 10, 9, 8, 3 seconds violation. Last 3 minutes and 10 seconds. Last 3 minutes. Last 3 minutes. No good. Go! In and out. Last 2 minutes and 30 seconds. 3 points. Bang! 1, 2, 3. By number 23.
23 din yung score niya eh.
Score! All 10 in favor of GPMC. Good. Wow! Who's foul, Rep? 22. First personal foul. Penalty. Penalty na si Mesa. Ganda na laban. Lamang ang GPMC.
Lamang ang GPMC.
All 10. Second try. By number 20. No good. Last 13 second shot clock. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Wow! Usman Red, number 22. Penalty. That's 1 minute and 40 seconds. 1 minute and 40.
Pang-anim na foul na yun.
First try. Wala pa rin. Second attempt.
Dikit na dikit.
Basket.
Shit eh, wapo.
Basket by number 25. Change paper. Number 7. Wala. Last 14 seconds shot clock. 10, 9. Nice pass. Pati mga kamay nalito. 3 points. Wala. Last 14 seconds shot clock. Setting the basket by number 22. Timeout, timeout, Grass Residency. Score 14-11 in favor of Mesawa.
Ay, laban na to.
Kita ng laban.
Bakbakan ng mga bakbakan.
Bibili ako sa tandaan eh. Pili nga rin ako eh.
Last 40 seconds. Last 15 seconds shot clock. Basket. Last 30 seconds. Last 25 seconds. Last 15 seconds shot clock. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Foul. Who's foul, Rep? Number 7.
First personal foul. Safety foul.
Last 14 seconds. 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. Foul. Who's foul, Rep?
Foul.
Last 2 seconds na lang. Last 2 seconds. Last 2.6 seconds. First try. Counted. Last try. Last 2.6 seconds. Basket again. Last 2 seconds. One. End of the first quarter. Number 23. Last 17 seconds shot clock. Last 14 seconds shot clock. Number 23, basket. Last 16 seconds shot clock. Last 13, 12, 11, 10. Umalog, sayang. Last 20 seconds shot clock. Number 9. Sayang. Last 20 second shot lang. 15, 14. Outside, mesa ball. Last 8 minutes and 37 seconds.
Mahirap ang laban ng dalawang to.
Yung cheese nut yun naman.
Jeez, ano lang sila eh?
8. Kulang sila. Ano bang sir? Mamimili kami lang kulang pang-kompleto?
Oo. Yun lang, sila lang. Last 8 minutes and 15 seconds. Basket. Number 23, basket. Last 8 minutes. Foul! Blast the basket! Post ball rep. Number 23. Ball shot by number 9. Last 7 minutes and 35 seconds. Ball shot. Counted. Not counted. Illegal entry. Outside, pinasakay, kuya. Last 7 minutes. Last 7 minutes. Last 90 second shot lang. Last 10 second shot lang. 9, 8, basket!
90.
Last 6 minutes and 35 seconds. Number 25.
Same ball.
Same ball. Last 14 second shot lang. Last 6 minutes and 6 seconds. Last 14 second shot lang. Basket. Wow! Post ball rep. Number 18. Last 5 minutes and 39 seconds. Air ball. Last 5 minutes and 25 seconds. Same ball. Last 5 minutes and 10 seconds. Second 5, prepare na, second 5. Basket, second 5 ulit. Second 5, pasok.
Tulas ng kamay nito.
Change play ball. 21-20. In favor of Grass Residences.
1 point lang.
Last 5 minutes. Last 5 minutes.
Kita ng kalaban.
Outside, grass ball.
Number 26, wala na. Ay, gago, di ko nakita.
Last 4 minutes. Foul. Who's foul, rep? Number 26.
Personal foul, 13 foul.
Last 3 minutes and 50 seconds.
May ako nakainin ko. Flash. Dalawa Royales. Nagloto sila ng ano eh.
Counted.
Saan? Sino?
Number 9, basket.
Sino nakapasok?
Number 9.
Sino dun?
Last 3 minutes and 13 seconds. Foul. Who's foul, rep? Number 20.
Sino nakapasok dito?
Number 12. Foul.
Sino nakapasok dito kanina? Hindi ko napansin eh.
Number 9 na lang.
Number 23, basket. Palitan lang. Last 2 minutes and 35 seconds.
Ako na.
Time out, rep. Time out. Time remaining, 2 minutes and 17 seconds.
Sa third set, pwede na sub, no?
Oo, pwede na.
Thank you po.
Score.
Kasi mas upuan natin. Gawin na lang natin itong kay Chris, oh. Puting upuan. Okay?
Ay, upuan siya dun. Upuan niya yun.
Basa-basa eh.
Tinapon niya yung tubig eh.
Maganda yun. So, ibaba niya na lang yung whiteboard.
Back to the ball game. Score 26-23 in favor of Mesa 1. Grass ball. Last 2 minutes and 10 seconds. Last 14 seconds shot clock. Last 1 minute and 50 seconds. Last 17 seconds shot clock. Basket by number 22. Last 1 minute and 35 seconds. 17 seconds shot clock. Last 1 minute and 25 seconds. Rush ball. Last 1 minute and 10 seconds. Last 45 seconds. Last 40 seconds. Last 35 seconds. Number 23. Last 25 seconds. Last 20 seconds. Offensive foul. Number 12, offensive foul. Last 15 seconds. Time out, ref, time out. Mesa 1. Time out. Mesa 1. Last 15 seconds. Score, sir, tama?
Ha? Tama. 28 ko eh. 16 plus 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 20. 18 ko eh. Ewan ko lang kay Sir Jojo. Nakakali ko sa pagto.
Asa, Nick?
28.
Saan?
At sa laksak ka eh. Kita-kita.
Back to the ball game. Last 15 seconds. 15 seconds. 1-5. 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kaya!
Malug eh.
End of the second quarter. 13-20.
4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14.
Dikita na lang mga kaibigan. Dikita na, kiskisan pa.
Wala pag yung win. Takbo ng takbo yun. Win. Win. Lagi tayo. Takbo ng takbo yun. Eh, 3-0 yun.
Foul by number 25.
25. First team foul.
Basket. Outside. Last 14 second shot clock. Basket. Number 18, basket. Last 20 second shot clock. Last 40 second shot clock. Basket by number 14. Outside. Same ball. Last 21 second shot clock. 21 second shot clock. Basket. Number 18. Time out. Wow! Plus basket. Time out, ref. Number 22. Number 18.
nakapasok? 18.
Score! 32-31. Sa dalang malabalang Mesa 1. Back to the ball game. Ball shot. Ball shot by number 18. Last 19 seconds shot clock. Last 15 seconds shot clock. 12, 11, 10, 9, 1, 2 na. Wow, number 13. Number 13. Two shot. First attempt. Tumalog, sayang. Second try. Tumalog ulit. Last 6 minutes and 10 seconds. Outside. Last 5 minutes and 40 seconds. Basket. Number 18. Wow. Number 18.
Personal foul, 17 foul.
17 second shot now.
Uy, talo.
Last 5 minutes. Last 5 minutes. Last 14 second shot now. 11, 10, 9, 8. Outside, same ball. Last 4 minutes and 35 seconds. 4 minutes and 30 seconds. Sub, rep, sub. Last. May time mo to ba sila? Time out?
Saan mo ito kayo trend?
Time out!
Wala pa.
Time out! Ras!
Si Mesa pala yung time out kanina.
Last 4 minutes and 29 seconds. 4 minutes and 29. Last 4 minutes and 29 seconds. 4 minutes 29. Last 16 second shot lang. 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 1, 2, 3. Last 3 minutes and 50 seconds. Last 20 second shot lang. Last 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11. Basket! Wow! Push ball, rep.
Tinanggal.
Last 3 minutes.
Na-foul sila.
Wow! Push ball, rep. Galing. Last 2 minutes and 50 seconds. Penalty na.
Same personal foul. Warning to penalty.
Grass, warning the penalty. First lip. Masyado malakas.
Pagod kaya mga yan. Malulang ba naman?
Second attempt. Walo.
Tak-tak.
Last 2 minutes and 29 seconds. Last 20 second shot clock. 17. Number 23.
Uy!
Basket by number 22.
Carter, third quarter.
Last 1 minute and 50 seconds.
22 ba yun?
Save ball. Mesa ball. Last 1 minute and 20 seconds. Last 20 seconds shot clock. Pacheco for 3. Basket. 1, 2, 3. Last 1 minute and 5 seconds. Last 17 seconds shot clock. Last 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Basket by number 14. Last Last 38 seconds. Basket by number 9. Last 30 seconds. 29. Wow, lose one rep. Number 9. Warning to graduate by number 9. Fourth personal foul. Kaya na sir, ha?
Score 141.
Last 23 seconds. Number 11. 1, 2, 3. Last 15 seconds shot clock. Last 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Running time tayo, running time. Fourth quarter tayo ng start time. Third quarter pa lang tayo, third quarter.
Fourth quarter pa tayo, ano?
End of the third quarter.
Last quarter.
Last and final quarter.
3-point lead by Glassenberg Residential.
Last 19 second shot clock. Last 15, 14.
Hoy!
Foul!
Pushing foul.
Pushing foul. By number 12.
Second personal foul. First team foul.
First attempt. Short. Second attempt. Short again. Foul by number 14.
First team foul.
Super yung foul out ng tama. Grabe, isa na lang.
Last 19 second shot lang. Last 8 minutes and 30 seconds. Wow! Who's ball rep?
Number 7.
Number 7.
Second team foul. Second personal foul.
Last 8 minutes and 10 seconds. 3 points. Outside.
7.
Last 14 second shot now.
Team variation. Student variation.
Pacheco for 3. 1, 2, 3.
Points. All 41.
In favor of GPFC. Bumawi na 3. Wala. Basket. Last 7 minutes. Last 7 minutes. Sab tayo rin ba? Pasa lang pala yun. Basket by number 7. Sub rep, sub.
Sino pasok?
Number 7. Last 6 minutes and 36 seconds. 6 minutes 36.
4.3 by Dragon Versus.
Last 19 seconds. 15 seconds shot clock. 13, 12, 11. Basket. Last 6 minutes. Exactly 6 minutes. Last 19 seconds shot clock. Wow! Who's foul rep? Number 20.
30 foul, 30 foul. 30 foul.
Last 15 seconds shot clock. Up.
Rally.
Sub rep, sub.
Sub.
1-5-7-5. Pasok in. Labas out. Mesa ball. Wow! Who's down red? Number 18.
Third personal foul. Warning to penalty.
Warning. Last one, penalty na. 15 seconds, shot up, 15. 14. Pacheco. Last 5 minutes. Basket. Blocking foul by number 18.
Warning to Bradley. Penalty. Warning to Bradley.
Number 18, warning to graduate ka na.
Penalty.
First attempt, no good. Second attempt. Basket. That's 4 minutes and 54 seconds. Foul number 9.
Graduate na.
Graduate by number 9. Time out. Mesa 1. Graduate na, number 9. Congratulations. Last 20 seconds shot clock. 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12. Outside. 4 minutes and 24 seconds. 4 minutes 24. Eight seconds violation. 4 minutes and 16 seconds. 4 minutes and 16 seconds. Last 19 seconds shot clock. Last 15, 14, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. Wow!
Penalty.
Penalty. Last 3 51 seconds. 3 minutes 51. Two shot by number 10, Pacheco. First attempt. Basket. Second attempt. 3 minutes and 51 seconds.
Foul.
Number 19. Pushing foul. Sabrep. Penalty. Penalty na si Grass.
Score 52-46. In favor of Grass Silver Residences.
Last 3 minutes and 43 seconds. 3 minutes 43.
3-point lead.
First try. Good. Second try. Outside. Mama sa net. Last 3 minutes and 40 seconds. 3 minutes 40. Last 15 seconds shot clock. Basket by number 25. Last 3 minutes and 10 seconds. Last 17 second shot clock. Last 13. 12. Up. Walk, 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 walk. Time out. Grass Residences.
Grabe to mga to.
Jaywalking violation.
Ano makukuha nila dito? Ano makukuha nila? Maganda sila maglaro.
Last 17 seconds shot clock. Last 12. 10. Wow.
Yan na po, 10 pa.
Third team.
Last 2 minutes and 11 seconds. 2 minutes 11. First attempt. Basket. Last 2 minutes and 11 seconds. Second attempt. Basket again. Not counted. Illegal entry. Door hopping.
Not counted. Ang atong
Last 2 minutes and 10 seconds. Basket by number 14.
Number 14.
Last 1 minute and 50 seconds. 1 minute 50. Last 15 seconds shot lang.
Foul number 22. Running to penalty.
1 minute to penalty pa lang.
Daming na rin siya, pero
14 seconds shot lang. 14.
Running to ground.
Last 13 seconds shot lang. 11, 10, 9, basket. Last 1 minute and 40 seconds. 1 minute 40. Wow!
Number 23.
Penalty. Last Last 1 minute and 33. 1 minute 33 seconds.
Kasi tamatan eh.
Last 1 minute and 33 seconds. First left.
Sino pa? 23 pinatawad.
No good.
Matik yan.
Last throw.
Mga 51 niya yan. Back.
Basket. 4-point lead. Last 1 minute and 30 seconds. 18 seconds shot clock. Last 12 seconds shot clock. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Last 1 minute and 11 seconds. Foul. Who's foul rep? Penalty. Last 1 minute and 8 seconds. 1 minute and 8 seconds. First attempt.
Number 20, warning to driving.
First attempt. Ringless.
Walang ring.
May net pala net. Second attempt. Short. Last 1 minute and 7 seconds. Last 1 minute and 3 seconds. Last 1 minute. Last 1 minute. Outside. Mesa ball. Same ball, same ball. Last 56 seconds. 14 seconds shot clock. 14. Last 55 seconds. 55 seconds. 13 seconds shot clock. 13. 13 seconds shot clock. Basket by number 18. Last 51 seconds. Last 45 seconds. Last 40 seconds. 19 seconds shot clock. Last 30 seconds. Foul. Penalty.
Domingo.
Graduate. Congratulations.
Nagpa-graduate ang po.
Last 30 seconds. 3-0. Last 30 seconds. First attempt by Pacheco. Basket. Last 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Score, sir. Official score. Second try. Number 22, basket. Last 27 seconds. 27 seconds. Mesa ball, mesa ball. 27 seconds, 27. 27 seconds, 27.
Technical kayo dyan.
Dumakdak.
Wala kami lang graduate.
Grass ball. 27 seconds, 27. Last 15 seconds shot clock. 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5,